Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Squish Ball 101, and I'm back at it with a new video. And today, guys, my sister, she like got all the squishies because I got a squishy package, and I just opened it, so I haven't tell my sister to just take them out of the packaging. Yeah, and one is my dream squishies. And you guys, you're probably like, it's not even real, but who cares? But yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna give you, okay, guys. Here's the back. I'm trying not to look. Seriously. You see the back? It's like a little thing. And here's the other side. I'm trying not to peek. Okay, now here's how it looks inside. Okay. So, dream squish I'll do at the end. So, first one I feel, oh my god. It's probably not even squishy at all, but it's, that shit looks weird. Oh my god. This was so good. So that's very cute. And I don't know why, but for some reason they all came in this packaging. Oh my god. I'm gonna go pick those away. Actually, I can use these for my thing. To make like, okay. So this muffin one, this actually looks real. Okay, next one I pull out. So cute. Next one I pull out is his bread. Oh my god, so soft. Oh my god, and I did not even. Okay, next one. Oh, it's from the croissant I ordered. Thank you so much. This website is really good. And then I have this one. My sister took them all out of packaging. Okay. Then there's other one, but I don't think they're like different faces. And then this big bread one. Let's move this out of the way. Oh my god, it's like, whoa, you guys see my fingerprints? Okay, guys. And then we have this last one, and I have to be showing you guys the other one. I'm gonna start putting these inside. Oh no, it ripped the bag. And this is actually a real order, guys. I'm not kidding. And I also have this one. It's probably like this. But the last one is very surprising. I did not even look at that one. So I'm gonna try to I'm gonna close my eyes, guys, and I'm going to pull it out. I can't see nothing. Where's the here it is. Oh my god, this is so good. My sister told me it was squishy, so first let's squish it. Oh my. Oh my god, it fell. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. God, this is so big. Look, compared to my face. Oh my god, wait. Compared to my face. This is the biggest squishy I ever had. Actually, so I think. Oh my god, look. It's like so big. I'm shook right now. What? I do not know what to say. Goodness. And this is like ginormous. And guys, I never had a squishy like this big. So guys, of course I'm shook. Oh my god. What in the world? I'm so excited. And it was, I don't know why, but it wasn't this packaging. My sister didn't take that for some reason. That's okay. And guys, this is my dream squishy. And like, it looks so good in camera. It looks like so good in camera. And it looks so good. Let's smell it. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it's like, look, I'm gonna compare this to probably this squishy because like this. Okay, look. What one would you rather have? I'd rather have this one. It's softer and good. And yeah. And after this has that. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm shook right now. Bye guys, thanks for watching.